Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the display cover and middle frame. Removal: disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Important: make careful note of which vibration motor cable is soldered to each of the contact points on the system board. Disconnect the display panel ribbon cable from its connector on the FPC cable. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the connector and ribbon cable. Unsolder the vibration motor cables from the contact points on the system board. Carefully remove the vibration motor from the cradle on the display panel assembly. Note: the vibration motor is held in place with adhesive. Replacement: remove any remaining solder from the vibration motor contact points on the system board and clean the contact points with an alcohol swab. Solder the vibration motor cables onto the contact points on the system board. Important: inspect the solder joints to ensure that they have a good connection and that there is no possibility of electrical shorting. Place the vibration motor into the cradle and apply pressure to adhere it to the display panel assembly. Connect the display panel ribbon cable onto its connector on the FPC cable. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the connector and ribbon cable. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.